This is a fun capture race challenge for black. Black only has 3 liberties left. White also has 3 liberties left. But the problem is that if black simply occupies white's liberties from the outside, white can connect underneath with number 2. Because black cannot come in here, all black can try is to keep Atari on the outside, and black will fail. So what should black try instead? The correct move is really neat, so please make sure you spend some time going over this problem, as you should for all of the problems here on my channel, before listening to my explanation. So it's all about setting something up so that white cannot connect that easily at number 2. And to achieve that, black must make use of the shortage of liberties that white has. These 5 stones are short on liberties. So what should black do to potentially set up something that threatens to capture them? You don't necessarily have to capture them because you can't, right? If you cut here, this is not going to work. It's simply not going to work. But you can threaten to capture them. You might think about this Atari, but the problem with the Atari move is that once you play this, once white connects, then there's no more shortage of liberties, right? And this will just go back, actually, to the previous shape. And now this is a connect and die for black. So black will still fail if it plays the Atari at number 1. So the really neat move here is actually right here. It's a very good move, because if white ignores it, black can cut here, and now these 5 stones are dead. So white must address the threat of number 1. It can only play here, or here, or here, right? It cannot occupy black's liberty by playing here, because this way, black can still cut here, and this is a connect and die for white. So white can only play something like this. And now after this exchange, what happens is that number 1 actually sets up a connect and die for white. So now white can no longer connect, because black will be able to capture with the help of number 1 right here. So this exchange, number 1 and 2, makes a world of difference. And of course, the sequence matters. If you play something like this first, and now play this, white will be able to capture black with number 4 right here, or here. So black can capture this 1 stone, but again, for the purpose of this problem, black fails. And that is why number 1 right here is the correct answer. Very neat move. Takes a little bit of time to find. I hope you find this useful, and I'll see you in the next problem. Thank you.